In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to the conversation inbox in HubSpot. Emojis are a simple way to add tone and personality to your messages, helping you clarify intent and create a more friendly experience for your contacts. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the emoji tool inside HubSpot's inbox and how to place the right emoji in the right spot. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HubSpot and look for the official HubSpot website in the results. Click through to the site and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace if your organization uses multiple portals, and confirm you have access to the Conversations tools so you can view the inbox. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse over the navigation to expand the options and locate the CRM area. Within that area, you'll see the tools related to your customer interactions. Click Inbox. This opens the Shared Conversations inbox, where your team manages live chats, emails, and messages in one place. It's helpful to think of this as your central hub for replying to customers and tracking ongoing threads. Next, open a conversation you want to work on, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Opening an existing thread is great when you want to add a friendly touch to a reply, while starting a new conversation is ideal for proactive outreach. With your conversation selected, click Compose to bring up the message editor. This is your workspace for drafting a response before you send it. At the bottom of the composer, look for the smiley face icon. Click that icon to open the emoji picker. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand it slightly to see all formatting controls. The emoji panel includes categories to help you quickly find what you need, from simple smileys to symbols and more. Now choose the emoji you want and click on it. The emoji will be inserted exactly where your text cursor is placed in the message. If it lands in the wrong spot, just move your cursor and click again. You can add multiple emojis, mix them with text, and remove any by using backspace. As a best practice, keep emojis relevant to the message tone and your brand voice. A single emoji can soften a response, show enthusiasm, or acknowledge receipt without overdoing it. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to add emojis to the conversation inbox in HubSpot, making your messages clearer, warmer, and easier to read.